Hey, what's going on, guys? It is Kyle over at Elite Edge Gym, and today I'm going to talk to you about proper technique for the bench press. Now, the bench press is the staple compound movement that we use for all of our upper body training days, along with the overhead press. And today I'm going to give you a few coaching cues that you're going to want to use with your clients when you advise them on how to properly perform a bench press. Now, bench press is a total body exercise. What I mean by that is a lot more muscle groups than just your upper body are going to be involved in a proper bench press. Now, I'm first going to demonstrate for you the proper setup for the bench press. We're going to start by lying down back flat on our bench, and I'm going to make sure that my legs are nice and tight, okay? I don't want to be loose and relaxed. I'm going to bring my feet in a little bit. We can be heels down or heels up, but I'm going to push my heels down towards the ground, creating tension through my legs. Now from there, as I'm setting up, I'm going to take my shoulder blades, I'm going to pull them in together nice and tight, and I'm going to create just a little arch in my lower and upper back, okay? The reason why I'm creating this arch is this is going to help set my shoulders in a safer position, okay? So I'm pulling my shoulder blades back together and pulling them down. So you want to make sure that those shoulder blades together, this is going to be cue number 2 for you, are pinned together tight the entire time. Now once my entire body is tight, I'm going to start by lining up eye level with my bar, okay? I'm going to unwrap that bar with my hands setting a little bit wider than my shoulder width, okay? For all intents and purposes, I'm going to demonstrate for you with the normal grip setting. It's going to be pinky fingers on the rings. I'm going to unwrap that bar, bring it out, come all the way down to my chest, tucking my elbows in so that they're under my wrists, and then press straight up right like so, okay? Now we're going to do a regular bench press. We're also going to do a variation of a bench press called a pause bench press. With a pause bench press, I'm going to bring that bar down, I'm going to pause it for a second, and then press, finishing directly over my shoulders, okay? Now, if you need to make modifications for our barbell bench press, best modification that you can make in terms of regressions is going to be to have them use a pair of dumbbells and do the novice option instead. Best modification that you can make to make it harder is simply just add a little bit more weight, provided they can continue to use good and safe technique. Anyway, guys, give those cues a try in your next class in which we coach our bench press.